the too much Lunga area in the Mercy land, they left those and they started plotting 512 plots were plotted in the map. 512 plots were plotted, but ultimately some of the land were affected because we had started making internal roads. Then dormitories were started coming, so that way some of the good plots were also like disturbed. Okay. Then out of that, what we did is, we called a meeting like this in Moipukchora, where we wanted to discuss how to distribute the plots. We understood, we also considered that there will be many people who would like to live with their near and dear ones. Say a brother will want to live with his another brother, a parent will want to live with his son. So instead of mixing up, we thought it will be a lottery system, we wanted to do it, like whatever plot you pick, you will go to that plot. But later, when we like taking into consideration your demand also, and also like we also want that families should not be disturbed. So in order for them to be able to stay together, what we did is adik. The money in, you come here, say 10 families or 5 families, whoever wants to stay together will take the paper, say 1 to 5 for example. He is having 5 members in his family or another uncle or auntie or whoever. Then you come and pick from this five pieces of paper. They 1 to 5. So they will all be concentrated in 5 only within this 5 near to each other. So similarly, these 10 families want to stay together. So we ask them to pick from 10. Then they'll be living together. Say 1 to 5, then 6 to 10, then 11 to 20, like that. So later there was some disturbances. At that point of time, split families were not yet approved. So some of the people demanding that on the demand that split families, until and unless split families are approved, we will not allow anybody to settle here. They cannot settle. So that was disrupted. No amount of persuasion worked. It was disrupted. So we gave up. But later we gave them another chance, saying that, okay, no, they made a request to us, saying that please allow us to do the lottery ourselves. We agree with your plots, but we'll do the lottery. And you accept our lottery. We say, okay, if the leaders agree, everybody agrees, we will not go by that. We will not go against that. Then they brought the plot number that we have with us now, as per with the name list of names, is as per the list submitted to us by the leaders of this camp, isn't it? Okay.
Initially it was like that, but later on due to, as you said, when due to leveling and this,
yeah, then leveling and
the
all.
plot has been number has been changed.
Disturbed, yes.
Yeah, it has been disturbed.
Like maybe one has plot number 100 has now become plot number 98. For example, because plot was disturbed, we have constructed road over those some places where we have plotted already. But actually, plot against the names that are given against the plots are actually from your side only. We have not given you the plot number. Plot number this is for Moniram, plot number this is for Molendro. No, this has come from your side. That Molendro will get plot number 10. Then another Pantirum will get plot number 20, like that. That has come from you, and we have accepted that. The problem now is that it is obvious now, even when you purchase a land somewhere in a group, some people will be near the roadside, some people will be a little behind the road. Even in your Hamsa Parakem, some people are in the roadside where vehicle can reach easily, and some people are a little bit in the backside. That will keep on happening anywhere, everywhere. Hadukla also, Bongofa also, I don't think every family they will be having a road. No. Somewhere some families will be little further, some families will be little down, some families will be little high. But once you accept it and you take your plot in also, and after constructing your house, what will happen, you know? The government will start thinking, okay, how to reach to that below? Let us make a road here. Unless you construct your house now, we don't know where the road should go. whether it should connect distilla and distilla, which is the suitable way to connect. In fact, Kaka, I think there is a reluctance here. Number one is many of you are thinking that Hamsapara is going to be accepted as a location. That we have also tried. I have forwarded your letter. They all know. I have forwarded your letter. But that is not going to happen. We have been told clearly that no, that is not going to happen. Those persons who have given their land, those LOT, those who have given their land, they may even be summoned for a hearing. That if they don't need the land, that land will go back to the government. There may be a hearing also. Those landowners who have given their land, how can they simply donate land like this? That land is belonging to government. They have been allotted the land for their personal use, not for sale or not for handing over or not for gifting to others. Okay, so that part you please don't keep your mind there. Haka take it, heta tum, they don't know. They asked us to tell you clearly that came to I came from don't know. Government in a approved came to who the central government in a home don't know more. Hakaron children home in here. Number two is some of you are still talking about the additional land. Some of you are thinking that no, if I don't take the land now, I will get a better land in additional land. No, those who have already been plotted, we are not going to give again. We'll be giving chance to those who have not yet got the plot. Those who have got the plot already and they are not taking the plot, only if there is extra later after giving to everybody and there is say 10 extra plots, then maybe we will give you after that. Only if there is extra. And if there is no extra, then we don't know. You may, how can we put you? We have a limited, we have a limit na, in one location. If the location is for 500, we cannot give 1,000. So after we give all the plots, then the remaining people, maybe they will have to go to other locations. Plot kan sem do phép nua plot ka in sang lo chuan mun da ma ho location da ma gomati a kala chari te po an soi ka ming li san ma mo a te kan khoi khoi la ya le ma kan kal te ka lo nga ya na nang ni tan khoi chuan sum ko le na te po hei me do ra ma po in din nei ngai ka ringa hei mun khat ta ka ni wai book chora is a very good location. Kita chora ko anaya, dam chora ko anaya, kita kumtam takilo omna nilo. We have lived here for like more than 20 years, so attachment ka ombe toa. Kila mamisoram lamala, laina chung kwate ando ombe toa. Han klo te po alo rem chang ku tasubom ay kaswan. Intan kan hei hi achakan tini ke ni pon. Kung engkit aba ya feel no hei intana chapel heta insang lo chuan hu ta hun da ma te thon in ni anga khapa intan ahar sa ang kan ti bangin kan tu sak luat bangin hei hi pa kan tare tan dikta chuan ke ni tan chuan ang samlit to. For us it is very easy. If we open the gate for Kanchanpur anytime they will come. They are ready to come. And they will come and stay in dormitory. And once they stay in the dormitory, then we'll think of a way how to give them water and all. We are very sorry that electricity because that place there is no connection. Maybe in Haduklo and those places they were having connection from before. So it is easy for them. But here it's a totally new location where we have to take new connection for that place. I have heard that the electric poles have also been taken there. Is it?
Only
electric pole is there?
Erection is good.
Oh, electric pole is there, erection is there. My electric poles have gone there, They have been erected already. So within a month or two, hopefully, because it is not an easy job, no? To bring electricity is not something like a household connection, that it will take 1 or 2 days. Those after 1 or 2 months, we are hopeful that we will get electricity in Windhoek. Because if people are not building the house and if somebody else is given chance, it will be a big loss for you all. Only because of that, we want you to go. Without Takson Hey Anpeito, Sir has said that he is ready to carry your goods also up to certain place. For example, first dormitory, if there are 10 people to Nayan Ho Indian me Somyan, Oi Katil can Turkanay, I have timber to carry. He will arrange one vehicle for these 10 families to take their timber to Motora Kalke. Kapu Kalok, Namitan so it's safer. You will save money, no, some money at least. In fact, like kita hanpon tour, ha, kapo